Today I'm going to show you how to use Intelligent Touch, also known as object recognition, on the panel. The panel can tell the difference between objects of different sizes. If I have something thicker, like my finger, or something thinner, like this stylus, the panel can tell the difference. I'm going to use my finger to select a color and thickness. And then I'm going to use the stylus to select a different color and thickness. I then can use my finger to write. And then I can use the stylus to add to it. Make sure only the tip of the stylus is touching the panel. I also can use both of them at the same time. Intelligent Touch, also known as object recognition, allows you to quickly switch between annotation tools without disrupting the flow of your lesson or presentation.